Good morning everyone. Today is a very exciting day. It is Sunday the 19th of May. Why are you like this? And we are finally off on holiday for literally the first time in 3 years.
From the dog, Well, they're on holiday too. They're already going on holiday too.
Oh,
I wonder if we're going to the same place. Do they want to lift?
We are off to Gatwick Airport because we are going to Amsterdam. We are going for my birthday. My birthday's on Wednesday, and we're going from Sunday to Wednesday. So we actually come back on my birthday.
We were just going because we wanted to go.
Well, yeah, that as well.
Another birthday's playing a role, is it? I see.
And yeah, so it's very exciting. We're going for 4 days, and we're driving there now. Well, we're driving to the airport, and yeah. I don't know.
We probably could have just driven to Amsterdam.
We could have yeah, you can drive to Amsterdam, but I wouldn't recommend driving in Amsterdam.
Drive in London, it'll probably be fine.
I'm vlogging it. I haven't got my fancy camera this time. I know when I went to Berlin, I took my fancy camera. My A7S.
Right.
Just got my little vlogging one because I want to vlog this. I don't really want to make a nice fancy video. So you're welcome to maybe 3 videos coming off of Amsterdam. Yeah.
You're gonna make 3 videos?
Well, it'll be 1 a day, I think, depending on how much I film. I feel like there's something else I should say. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. So we were watching Eurovision last night, and the Netherlands won. So that makes this even more interesting, the fact that we're going today. I think it's either gonna be like hype city, or it's just gonna be like no one really cares.
Maybe not everyone's as painfully basic as you.
I'm not basic. Eurovision is watched by thousands of people, like, you don't understand. And it's just a bit of fun. So yeah, we're off to, I really thought you were going to throw that at me. Sounds good.
I'm not going to throw that.
So yeah, I'll probably see you maybe at the airport or on the plane. Bye! So, after a flight delay of half an hour, we're finally on the plane.
Well, she can use the front doors.
We had a spoon's lunch, of course. It's a classic when you go on holiday. And yeah, we're like 30 to 40 minutes late, which I'm not happy about, but the flight next to us, which was also going to Amsterdam, was told that some of the people might not be getting on the flight, so at least we can get on our flight. So we have finally made it to Amsterdam. It's bringing back memories, making me emotional, it really is. So we're staying in the Jordaan part of Amsterdam in this really cute Airbnb. Chris is just making a coffee. I say Airbnb, I actually found it on Hostels UK or whatever that hostel's website is. I'll link it below because it's a really great find, especially as a lot of the places in Amsterdam are like not the best looking hotels because obviously all the buildings are really old, they're all quite old, but I managed to find this place. It was on this hostel's website, but it's basically an Airbnb and the owners live upstairs, and we have this little, like, I'd say an annex, but we're downstairs on the ground floor, so like, I don't know, we're just in this room. I'll show you. This is the entrance. That's the door that leads up to their place upstairs. And then you've got this nice window, double bed, coffee maker and mini fridge, and Chris. Table and chairs, some art, and then through here, it's like Narnia. You've got the bathroom. It's got this nice little bathroom and then this like really big shower. Oh my gosh, it's even got shampoo and conditioner. Oh, I didn't need to bring mine. They've literally thought of everything. So yeah, what do you think of our place for the next couple of days?
It would be good with my toothbrush.
Yeah, he forgot his toothbrush. Owner seems lovely. He came and introduced himself, let us in, and kind of told us a few things. Our flight was delayed by about an hour, and then when we did eventually land, as we got through departures, like loads of people were there in like all the Dutch flag colours and like cheering. So part of me thinks the guy who was won Eurovision last night may have been like landing at about the same time that we did, because everyone was like, yeah, woo, and had their cameras out and phones and stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna chill here and relax for a little bit and then get some food. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Yeah, we haven't really planned anything, but yeah, we're gonna relax. Coffee!
Coffee.
So we had a little wander round. We decided, because it's kind of late, it's 9 p.m. now. By the time we left the apartment, it was like 7:30ish. So we walked around, tried to see what was kind of like nearby in terms of food. And we tried to find Chris a toothbrush because he forgot his, but we couldn't find anywhere that sold one. So we ended up getting Mackey's. Well, we got like a meal between the two of us, and then we bought some snacks. We got some chocolate, and we're kind of just gonna chill and watch Netflix and go to sleep. And there'll be more in the next video, maybe. I don't know if this is worthy of one video, but there'll be more content.
We go on a plane and watch Netflix.
Yeah, literally. There will be more content tomorrow. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram so you can see all the cute pictures from us in Amsterdam. Cool.